Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things cryptocurrency. I'm the presenter, Van Winkle's Ripple. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day. Monday is here. Hopefully here in Southwest Florida, your day is almost done. We're getting ready for this storm. That will occur tomorrow. I know all the schools here are canceled, but it looks like a Tuesday, Wednesday hit. Tomorrow night coming into Wednesday timeframes alter. It defies logic that they will send them back to school on Friday. Give them the entire week off, please. I'm still in the air, teetering, and I'll find out a little later. You know what will happen to the office if I have to close? We need to check to see whether power will be lost. I hope we don't lose power because if this thing hits, they're saying it's a Cat 3 or a Cat 4. It's just all up in the air. It also implies that it will be a huge hit. In certain places, power outages could last for months at a time. Without electricity, it's difficult to damage the power. If you've ever experienced a hurricane, it's simply a nightmare. If you have never experienced a hurricane, you know how it feels to not want to go through one. To be honest with you, I would like to be through a hurricane or northeastern storm, 95 degrees of powerlessness, nothing to do, everything is blown around. You can't even walk outside, you are unable to walk. It's simply disastrous. I hope everything works out well for us, but you never want to be a part of it. Thus, if I spend some time in my A. Folks, you know what happened in this video. We have a lot to discuss, so we'll go over the Ripple vs. SEC litigation once more. We are going to discuss the topic. The price of XRP, and let's say the price of the SCCC XRP Bitcoin pump. It is approaching. We are going to go through it. I received a few articles. Without further ado, let me go over in a chart and present it to you. Remain calm and sit back. Now let's get started. Currently up 1.7% in the last day is Bitcoin, which is currently valued at 62,935,000, Ethereum at 2,453. At the moment, it's up 0.2%. Both the US dollar pegs USDC and US dollar trough USDT XRP, all I'm attempting to do is push toward 54 cents or 53.5 cents. As of right now, it is up 6%. The market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is $2.202 trillion. From here, where are we going to go? According to my forecast, we are set to rise before there is one last Bitcoin retracement and break down where the CME gap is closed. At present, we are having an inventory sale. If you are interested in purchasing any merchandise, we're working to deplete all of our inventory and replace it with fall and winter items. Every 40-ounce cup has been reduced to $20. And every 30-ounce tumbler with engraving has been reduced to $14.99. You can use a credit card to pay the approximate 25 XRP. An XRP could be paid. We received chain link koozies, Solana. We received caps. What was left of the whiskey glasses were what we had. We have 4 leather coasters coming that whiskey set $44.99. I believe there are only 10 or so remaining, so check it out and order that xrprightnow.com for free delivery worldwide. Yes, it is correct. 1 month later, according to Moon Lambeau, the price of XRP is 53 cents, compared to 52 cents on September 6th. The Ripple case appeal has been declared by the market at the SEC. It doesn't matter how much I've discussed this or emphasize how many people enjoy looking at these charts showing what's happened during the previous week. 24 and 48 hours brief periods of time last month enlarged the image by zooming out. XRP was available for 52 cents. Right now, we're seated over that. It's true that XRP was 60 cents. We were moving forward with considerable momentum. Did we not tell you that you had the 3 targets? XRP aimed to surpass 60, 66, and 75. The coveted Holy Grail. We failed to even break the second point, which was worth 66 cents. Indeed, we did touch it, I know. We gave it a tap. We couldn't get near enough to hold it. You have 3 to 5 days to close and hold. We were not given that as a result. We broke down since we were unable to hold 60 cents. We also broke down again. Many people wish to assign responsibility for this wave versus SC to price behavior, suggesting that XRP is a worthless coin that has no future as being caused by the SEC's appeal. It is going to decline. 10 cents will once again be used. That is untrue. Here, just slightly pan out. Even after we learned that ETFs were arriving for XRP, the price began to decline. Later, we received an appeal from the SEC, which caused the price to decline even more. Nevertheless, we are still higher than we were in September, so keep an eye on the markets. China stocks may be gaining ground on Bitcoin Asia equities. Furthermore, it states that even with a 3 to 5% conversion fee from stablecoin. USDTT to equity. The possibility of a 50 to 75% gain in Chinese stocks makes this a calculated action. It claims that since last September, Bitcoin has remained mostly unchanged in response to the stimulus-driven 20% increase in Chinese stock prices. The surge in battered Chinese stocks may be drawing money away from cryptocurrencies in the Asian equity markets. The capital rotation might only last a short while in order to take note of what's happening, particularly in light of the recent reports that China is planning to enter the cryptocurrency market in a significant way. They have the second biggest economy globally, and we are bringing Chinese capital to the cryptocurrency markets. We get at that $7 to $10 trillion estimate in this way. Remember from 2025 that Brad Gollinghouse continued to tell us that in 3 months at the end of this year, we should expect between 4.5 and 5 trillion. He is therefore obviously anticipating a Q4 surge up. And as we indicated in the graphic, if we end a month, which we did in September, green October, November, and December are always good months for cryptocurrencies. The pump is about to arrive. I'll give you a brief overview of Bitcoin, which we're going to discuss immediately. According to minute.com, it's currently rising by $66,000. It claims that the price of Bitcoin is aiming for a new surge above the $63,500 region, as it is presently trading over $63,250 on the 100 on the hourly chart. Our simple moving average is connected, and bullish trend lines are forming support at 62.9. If the pair breaks above 64,200, it will no longer be able to rise, and we will eventually reach 66,000. For those of you who would like to view the chart, here it is. As you can see, it continues to rise. I am aiming for 66,000 Bitcoin at the moment as I make this video. While we are currently at 62,895, this rise up to 66 is not what any of us had anticipated. We all believe that these markets will soar to the moon. We must first reach 66,000. After that, we must backtrack and close the syntemic gap, which is estimated to be between $50,000 and $55,000 before we can proceed with the parabolic pump that is scheduled to launch this year. Cryptocurrency typically has a very strong October. After 7 days, we are at this point. The 66,000 pump will get us into the green where we want to see it, but right now we're very flat and neutral. Consider the XRP price as it approaches a breakout. Given that the price of XRP is stabilizing above the 50-cent support level, will it regain the ground it lost? If the price at the time of filming clears 54.5 cents, there could be calm in the market.